Ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Back scenes in Randy's woodshop here. Just give
What?
back scenes, you know.
Behind the scenes?
Behind the scenes. That's what I
Back
mean.
scenes?
Oh, whatever.
Yeah, you would be back scenes. All right, welcome back
To Randy's toy shop.
Randy's Woodshop and Toys. Today we're doing a video on building airplanes. Our little wooden airplanes that we sell. Sell a fair amount of them. We haven't done them in a while, so the last couple shows we did go to, we didn't have them. So we're spending the day today to make some. So we're going to show you that process.
I'm going to go be the Michelin man.
Yeah. While I'm building these, it's only a one-man show, which is kind of this whole shop.
Movie store.
This whole company.
Movie star.
Whole company. One-man show. So Robert will be over in the corner
Randy.
at the drill presses making tires.
Tires.
While I build the
Not
planes.
getting tired, making tires.
Oh, he's getting tired too, making
that
tires.
too.
So he's the Michelin man for the day, but I let him make a guest appearance in the video, so he didn't feel left out.
I didn't feel left out.
All right, well,
Get to work.
Let's get to it.
Get her done.
You're going the wrong way. You're making tires.
I know where I'm going.
Hey, get your phone out of here and your mask.
Oh, thank you. That's what I was looking for.
Just come over here and plop all your stuff down in my work area.
Consider me flopped. Alright.
Alright, so this is kind of our broken shop model that we keep in the shop to remind us how to build them. So here we go. So here's our body pattern of our plane. We have a pattern that we mark this out on the bandsaw and cut it out. So we got our body, we got our landing gear, we got our wings, we got our tail, horizontal stabilizer, and we got our rear landing gear. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our rear landing gear on. So we got our glue, put a little squirt in the hole there. There's our rear landing gear. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put our wings on. So here's our wing, piece of cedar. That's why we have our shop model, because it's about an inch back. So we have our shop model. I know where to put the wing. Put a squirt of glue on there. We're just going to eyeball it for center, because I have pretty good eyes so far. There we are. We got our wing on. Okay. Now we got these little wing braces here. Okay, now we're gonna put our landing gear on. Okay, there's our landing gear. Now we're going to put our tail on. All right, there we are. What we got left now is our propeller. So I'm almost ready for you to start.
That back wheel should be that little tiny wheel, not that wheel.
All right, there it is. Little biplane. What was that? Cessna, little Cessna plane. Kids can fly it around, or some big kid can set it on his desk. All right. Well, now we just need to go 5 more of those. So let's speed the video up.
So what's the big project today? Looks
So-
like a whole flight of whole fleet of airplanes.
So this is Greg. He's our wandering neighbor. He likes to come over and make sure we're doing our job correctly.
Also known as the manager.
Yeah, as Robert says in the corner over there, aka the shop manager, comes over here and makes sure we're working.
Quality control. That's what it is. But I'll tell you this stuff's fantastic. These guys are legit. It works really well, professional in every sense. They take a lot of time in doing it. Very professional in the way they go about it. They got a whole fleet of these things here. Trucks, Jeeps, planes,
Rigs of every size.
toothpicks.
They can use a rubber duck. How
The
about
toothpicks over there drilling holes for tires.
That's all right. Well, you boys just keep that. I like what you do. I think it's fantastic. You folks would like it too.
So we had him come on in. We had him come in, and we got one more plane to put together. So we're gonna have him stand here and watch us build a plane.
Just like Boeing.
No, you can't use that. You can't use Boeing.
You can edit it.
Copyright. I'll edit it. All right. So first thing we put our tire on already for our rear landing gear. So we're gonna put our wing on. Dab of glue. Look for the best side. Eyeball it for straight. There she is. Okay, we're gonna put our tail on. Okay, got our little wing supports here.
Pretty stout.
Yeah, once the glue dries,
Good stuff.
should be pretty strong.
Little Cessna 160. I like it.
I think the propeller is probably the first thing that goes when the kids play with them.
When they launch it.
Yeah, throw it in the air and let her go. Okay, we got our landing gear here. How you like that landing gear?
There's some detail in there.
Pretty trick, huh?
Yeah, it's trick. Detail, that's what they do. I like that. I'm not a wood person. These guys really know their stuff.
Okay, last but not least, we got our prop.
Props.
Which is the first thing that flies off.
Did you put that one on backwards?
Probably.
There it is.
All right, that's it.
Look at that. Entire fleet ready to
Number
go.
6. So that's the end of our video. We'll get these boxed up, dried up, ready for the market.
Check these boys out again anytime you can. They got some other good videos coming up.
Yep, check us out on YouTube. Obviously, you're watching YouTube. Check us out, Randy's Woodshop. There's our brand. Give us a like or subscribe. You'll catch more of our videos.
Yeah, good.